If your Steam account has been hacked, don't panic, but do act fast. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover a hacked Steam account step by step, secure your devices, and submit the right proof so you have the best chance of getting your account back. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech guides. First, before you even start the recovery process, secure your environment. If the hacker got access through your PC, browser, or email, they could try to steal the account again the moment you recover it. So run a full antivirus scan on your computer right away. Look for anything suspicious like malware, session hijackers, or keyloggers. These are common ways Steam logins get stolen. Next, go straight to the email address connected to your Steam account and change that password immediately. If the hacker has your email, they can reset Steam again even if you regain access. After changing the password, turn on two-factor authentication for that email account if you haven't already. That extra layer of security is one of the most important things you can do. Once your device and email are secured, move on to the Steam recovery process. Open your browser and go to the Steam Help website. Do not try to log in normally if you can't access the account or if the email has been changed. Instead, on the Steam Help page, click Help, I can't sign in. Then select My Steam account was stolen and I need help recovering it. This is the correct path for hacked accounts because it takes you into Steam's official recovery flow. After that, scroll down and click Reset My Password. Steam will ask you to enter either your account name or the original email address that was used to create the account. Enter whichever one you still know. If the hacker changed the email or phone number on the account, you may see a hidden email or a phone number that is not yours. If that happens, do not worry. Click the option that says I no longer have access to this email address or phone number. This will open a support ticket form so you can contact Steam support directly. In that form, make sure you provide a brand new secure email address that the hacker does not know about. Use an email account that is fully protected with a strong password and two-factor authentication turned on. This is very important because Steam support will use that new email to continue the recovery process. Now comes the most important part, proving ownership. Steam is not going to return the account just because you say it was yours. You need to provide as much evidence as possible that you are the original owner. Start with billing information. If you ever purchase games with a credit card, provide the last 4 digits of that card if you still have them. Then include receipts. Search your email for Steam purchase confirmations and take screenshots of those receipts. If you have ever activated a physical CD key or a game key from a service like Humble Bundle, include those codes as proof as well. You can also provide wallet codes or photos of Steam gift cards you redeemed on the account. The more ownership details you give, the better your chances of getting a fast response. When writing your support message, keep it clear, accurate, and honest. Explain that the account was compromised, mention when you noticed the issue, and list any details that can help Valve verify you. Do not guess or add information you are unsure about. Accurate proof is always stronger than a long message with wrong details. After you submit the ticket, keep checking the secure email you provided for Steam support replies. They may ask for more proof or additional details before restoring access. Once Steam helps you recover the account, immediately change the password, update the email if needed, and make sure Steam Guard is turned on. Also review any linked devices, remove anything unfamiliar, and check your recent login history if available. That way, you're not just recovering your account, you're locking it down properly so it stays secure. If this video helped you recover a hacked Steam account, please hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and stay safe online.